It's your egg wrap. Jam whatever you want in there. Hey everybody, it's Bear. Time for some camp cooking. That's right. And I was inspired today by a fast food joint, Hardees. We're on the West Coast. I think it's Carl's Jr. And they've been advertising this bacon, egg, and cheese wrap. So that's what we're going to do today. And you put whatever you want in your wrap. I've got bacon, eggs, got my wrap, I've got cheese. Only I'm going to use a single from home and not open my block. Now I've got chopped chives, parsley. I've got a little Taco Bell sauce to top it off with. And the way I'm going to cook this today, I'm going to have some extra hot water. So I'm going to make some coffee. Well, let's do it. Now there's a number of ways you could go about cooking your egg filling for your tortilla. You could get out the old camp skillet and fry everything up. Or, I don't know if you remember another video I did, I used Ziploc freezer bags. And I did an omelet sous vide style. That's right. Now the Ziplocs, there's some controversy, you do what you want to do, but the freezer bags, the Ziploc freezer bags specifically, these are BPA free, they're supposed to be safe to cook with, but if you get them too hot, they will melt. I'm going to use it to mix up my eggs today. Alright, so for one egg, I need 2 tablespoons of my Ova Easy mix. And we need 3 tablespoons of water per egg. Doing 1 egg today. Now, I'm going to take my freezer bag and I'm just going to start mixing it up. We just got to dissolve those egg crystals into the water. Now you could just drop that into simmering water for, I don't know, 15 minutes and sous vide it. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to steam it. And you can steam eggs. You can put them in your steamer at home in like little ramekins for about 10 minutes and steam up some eggs. So I'm going to use some of that heavy foil and make myself a little cup in there and steam my eggs today. So we need water. Can't have steam without water, can we? Make sure I have enough water for my cup of coffee. Now, the dull side is supposed to be non-stick. We'll see. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself some little steamer holes. Up towards the top here. There we go, steam holes. Pour in my egg. Some bacon. Oh wait, we're gonna put all the bacon in there. Why not? Cheese. Appetizer. Let's see, I like a little chive. Stove lighter. Now, once I start to see some steam come out of there, we're going to give it 10 minutes. Alright, we've got steam, so now we've got to cook for 10 minutes. We can probably turn the heat down a little now. You know, another idea I had, actually on the way here, is if you had fresh eggs, you could just poach them in the water to go in your wrap and minimize your cleanup. That wouldn't dirty your pot so much. Gotta maintain my steam. I'm gonna eat some yogurt covered cranberries while my egg cooks. It's my first course. That makes it a fancy meal. Let's see. We got 4 more minutes. And you know what? I don't know if 10 minutes is going to be the right time or not. I just watched some lady steam some little omelets in ramekins for 10 minutes. So that's what we're using. All right, y'all, we're in the final countdown here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 minutes. Woo! God. Oh yeah, feels like it's cooked through. Well, let's set it off to the side just a second and warm up our tortilla a little bit. Ideally, this is just going to fall out of my foil. Woo, hot. Because the dull side is non-stick. Look at there. Isn't that awesomeness? It fell right out, no problems. That is sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. We're gonna hit that guy with some Taco Bell mild. And we need our coffee. I'd have coffee with breakfast, right? Oh man, I'm so excited. Let's see here. We're gonna go. Ooh. Burrito wrap style, like so. So, I don't know if y'all seen them. Watched some of my videos for a while. You probably have. This is the UCC pour overs. I order them from Japan. It's my favorite camp coffee. And we instantly have our own little camp drip brewer. The grounds get a little wet. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. Alright, now once it gets so full, it's going to stop draining because the coffee's coming up on the bag. So I just pull that guy out. Get the last bit of that goodness out of there. Oh, that's black gold right there. Heck yeah. Now, what I just thought about, you know, if I'm at camp, like I'm digging into that guy, we're eating. But if you're camping with friends, you know, and you want to impress them, you can do a little cut. That's right. And we can get a little presentation on our wrap, like so. Haha, there you go. That'll impress your camp buddies before you eat. Well, let's see if I did the world of fast food proud. Man, that's a good looking breakfast to me. And no mess. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You want one? I got another tortilla. Man, you couldn't beat starting breakfast off like Man, you couldn't beat a bite of that before the trail. My goodness. Well, speaking of which, I'm going to head down the trail and we'll see you on the trail.